Hello everyone. So I wanted to do a video and talk about, we have an event coming up. The event that we have coming up is a educational event. This one is for learning how to get your 501c3. So a lot of people have taken this class. I remember one class, it was just completely sold out. It was so many women. We were in a boardroom, and when I say it was so many women in this class. So I know it's a need for people wanting to take this class. So I wanted to I do it every year, but I'm offering it to offer online as well. So with the class, the online, you have access to the online, and you'll also have access. We're going to have it at Coco Tiv. It's going to be, I'm posting the link to this for the date, okay? Because I have so many events, I cannot keep up with the dates. So I'm posting the link so you can get the date and the time and registration. So yeah, make sure you click on the link to find out the time, location. If you want to do the online, you can. But basically in this class, I am going to talk about step by step on how to get your 501c3. So I've helped so many women do this. One lady, she's a member, but one lady, she got hers, she said in 3 days, she had her 501c3. I thought she said 2 weeks, but normally the way I show you is the 6-week process. So with that being said, make sure you sign up for this class, y'all. It's going to be phenomenal. When I tell you, show you step by step, first step, second step, and third. There's 3 steps. There's 3 steps to getting your 501c3. No matter where you're at, no matter what state you're in, on the registration link, make sure you add your state. But with that being said, make sure you sign up too, because for this price that I'm offering it for, the price that I offer it for, because for me to do it is much higher for me to just, produce paperwork for you. So with that being said, the class is going to teach you step by step on how we're going to do everything on the conference, the workshop. So we're going to do everything inside the conference, inside the workshop, online, or if you're coming to the class at Coco Tiv, we're going to do everything. All the paperwork is going to be done in class. So when you leave out, you should be able to just mail your paperwork off, or send your paperwork off. Okay. So just make sure you sign up. Don't miss this opportunity, because when I did this class last year, a lot of people was asking, when you gonna do another class? When you gonna do another class? I can't attend that class, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I did, have another class for people so they can come, because some people did miss out. We were sold out. Do you hear me? We were sold out. So with the online, you can come to the online class, but the online class is going to be limited seating as well. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to have people in the class I'm teaching, and then I'm going to have people who are online. So online, I'm going to be able to communicate with you as well, but it's going to be limited, okay? Because it's going to be limited seating, not limited answering questions or whatever, but limited seating inside the online conference as well. I may do it, I think I have it to 10 people for the online. Okay, so I can be able to answer everybody's questioning. Because when you have a bigger group and you have people online, and you have a lot of people, it's kind of hard to answer everybody's questioning. So that's why I'm having limited seats. Okay, so just make sure you sign up. Let me know if you have any questions about what's going to be included. Like I said, it's step by step, 3-step process. You're going to be in and done. Okay. I will post my number, so if I post my number, make sure you text me, because I am extremely busy. So make sure you text me versus call. I answer text faster than a call. And if you do need a phone call, just let me know. Text me and say, hey, I need to talk, whatever, and then I'll call you. But thank you all for watching, and have a blessed one.